Okay, this is a 97 Hardbody, little four-wheel drive. We put a header on and we've done complete exhaust on it. We bought a header from a place on eBay, and of course it didn't fit. So little things like we had to put an oxygen sensor bung in a different place in the tube. We've had to modify back here, we'll look from underneath, for the EGR tube. The system won't work without that tube, so we got to keep that going. And now we'll raise the truck and look underneath. Okay, so this is the tube for the EGR valve, and it wasn't in the same place as the stock spot in the manifold, although it's the same threads and the same size tube. So I had to go to a local supply house and find a tube nut and different pieces of tubing and have it flared, and then find a sleeve to make an extension for this so I can weld it back together and actually be able to hook up the EGR valve and have it work. We've modified the header extensively. So we used a 3-bolt flange with a steel gasket and 2-inch 13-gauge pipe. We've used these Summit hangers here. They work really well and they're fairly inexpensive. I think they're about $6 or $7 a piece. We've put a good quality catalytic converter on it from Mermont. We have a resonator and a Borla ProXS muffler along with a used tip. And it's got 3 hangers on the system. We've had to replace both of the oxygen sensors. Here is the original exhaust system that was on the truck. Had a heat shield that was still in good shape, which is amazing. And some high quality weld work there. There's some even higher quality weld work here on the Y-pipe. This stuff's pretty amazing here. Multiple attempts at repair. The manifold's cracked in a couple of places anyway. Threads were all gone on the oxygen sensors. We've had to replace both oxygen sensors and the bungs. There were no threads left in anything. All seized and corroded. They had deleted the catalytic converter. And they made this amazing custom tip. It's like things you would see on YouTube or TikTok. A truly amazing tip. A huge amount of effort, money, and time was spent on this tip.